The next one's these are special.
There's a lot. There's some energy coming from the other side of the table right now. Look at this.
These
Look at this.
are special.
Woo!
These pupsters here. I think it was.
You good? You hit the table. You hit the leg on the joint.
These pupsters here come in a protected case.
Ooh.
Yeah.
These are not white glove treatment? I mean, no, they're not. They're not. I understand what we said was white glove treatment.
It was white glove treatment.
All right, let's go, man. I think I know what these are. I'm pretty sure just by the color of the box. Look at that. All right, so, I mean, green, pink, yellow, lavender, orange, blue or purple. I mean, it's crazy. Yellow, red, it's crazy. And the paper has all the Air Force Ones on them. Mm-hmm. Tough. I love that Nike puts that little detail into them. They put detail into them. They put attention into these things. Yep. I knew it was these, baby. I knew it was these. Woo! Air Force One, heavy today. We've been on Air Max for so long with you. You know what I'm saying?
We have.
Look at that shit. These is tough, B.
Yeah. So they come in this little plastic thing with the lime green Nike sign on it.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Filthy. These are filthy.
Are the undefeated Air Force Ones.
Undefeated be coming out with some tough joints, man. I love it. These shits is fucking disgusting.
And for the record, the black shoelaces will be gone. I'm going because they come with.
I saw them shits, yo.
With the fuchsia. Mm-hmm. And anyone who knows me knows if there's a pink option, I'm taking.
Going with it. So let's go, right? The sole just I don't want to say neon because it's but the green on the sole and the midsole is green also, but a completely different green.
Completely different green.
And so you got the stitching, right, on the midsole. I might be reaching a little bit, but I don't think I am because this is what I'm experiencing. You have the stitching on the midsole, so the midsole is like a what do you want to call this?
Let's go with like a seafoam.
Seafoam. This guy always comes up with the good color names.
Seafoam.
Fabrics. He always comes up with it's a satin finish to those
magentas.
So the stitching is actually the same color as the seafoam, but the shadow cast.
Yes, sir.
Right, the stitching is kind of set in a little bit. The shadow cast makes it kind of match the sole, the bottom. Yeah, absolutely. You know what I'm saying. So it gives it like an illusion that the stitching is the same color as that, but it's
we'll go Kelly green.
Kelly green
for the.
All right, so that's crazy already, right? I'm almost rushing just to get to the check. I'm almost rushing through this to get to the check. So the upper. Yeah. You have this chocolate brown. The whole thing is patent leather.
Entirely.
All right, it's patent leather. Let's get that out of the way. Let's do as black folks like to do. First off.
We're like number 7, but it's first off.
We're 18 things in. First of all, the whole shit is patent leather except for the check is translucent.
Rubber.
It's rubber.
Yeah.
Like you can see through the shit.
Yeah.
I can see the purple going through. I can see the black behind the what is that? You call that fuchsia still? Right?
Maybe I like magenta.
Magenta?
I don't even know what that is, but it sounds great.
What is fuchsia? Is fuchsia a
Fuchsia's
pink?
a pink.
That's a pink too?
Yeah.
I'm not familiar with these things.
Shout out to T. We had a discussion on the difference between hot pink and fuchsia.
Word. And so the tab is black along with this, the mid right here, the middle part of the upper. You have the Undefeated sign in the back in the purple. Embossed.
right there in the heel.
Embossed. And this I'm getting this blue and brown here, son. I'm getting Al Bundy vibes.
Yes.
Remember Al Bundy used to rock the brown dress pants with like a light blue dress shirt, short sleeve joint?
Absolutely.
Yo, this shit is crazy, son. The whole sneaker is like a cartoon.
Yeah. and I am going to slaughter them.
As you should.
Completely annihilate them.
These shoes are
I gotta shout out my guy, Ivan.
Man, we gotta get him on the show, man.
We gotta get Ivan because he is the patent leather champ. He sent these to me. I mean, I had already gotten mine, but he sent me, and he copped a pair and put them on the street. Now, we all know that if I get something, I'm gonna find stuff to match.
Of course.
Ivan, he is that detail oriented. So when he put his joints on the street, he found this Coogee sweater.
They had all these colors.
They had all of these, and I gotta tip my hat to the work that guy did.
Yo, shout out to Ivan, son. He's a fly. He's a fly dude. Him and his wife. They get
man.
busy. They dope.
They do, man. But
I gotta go back and see, cause Instagram is the algorithm to get people right out of your lives. I ain't seen him in forever, and I know they post like every day.
They do. But I had to give him a shout out because I mean he matched it all the way down to the Rolex. Like he killed it. He killed these. He almost made me not even want to put mine on the street yet.
That says a lot.
That says a lot.
That says a lot for someone to almost get Joe there.
Almost.
That says a lot. And we have to finish up here. The undefeated, stripes, strike or whatever. What is it? The hashed, whatever you want to call them. The yellow tab with the orange on the tongue is tough. And then you have the undefeated and the same color as the check. These shits is crazy. I mean, they're just as crazy. They're crazier in person as they were online when I saw them.
So Undefeated came out with 3 Air Force Ones over the past month. They had different releases, and they all were like this. They were all patent leather. The first pair that came out, they sent to select stores.
Yeah.
And Major was one of them, as a matter of fact.
Word. You got yours from Major?
I didn't get these from Major because these you could only get on Undefeated site. So they did different rollouts.
The other joints,
different sneakers, right?
Yeah,
so the very first pair had a different colorway. It had like baby pink, gray, blue, some other colors, and then they had this pair that came out, and they had another pair that just released over the about 2 or 3 days ago. All rounding out within like a month of each other. But these were my favorite out of the. Actually, there were 4. I'm sorry, there were 4. These were my favorite. My second favorite also had pink and blue in it, and purple, but in a different order. And I liked the chocolate. I don't do a lot.
Chocolate's
of
crazy, yeah. It's brown.
I very rarely wear anything brown, so I like the fact that it was in there, and I get to like play off of that with other things. So yeah, man, these are something special, man.
Those are hard right there. The whole presentation, the whole case, and everything. Yeah. They did a great job with that shit, son. Yeah, I love them. Yeah, these are dope, son. That's a goal right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. What's the season? What's the season for these? This whenever?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna give these everything. Man, you can believe that.
Oh word!
These are all 4 seasons. This is all year round.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. This is the day of collaboration. This is your first joint wasn't a collaboration.